Welcome back. Pramod Mutalik or his Sri Ram Sene will never be allowed to commit any kind of violent or illegal act in Goa. BJP is giving this guarantee to Goans. BJP feels Mutalik is getting undue publicity. South Goa MP Narendra Sawaikar has also assured to tackle Mutalik and Sri Ram Sene if both go beyond control. But none is planning to ban the Sene even if Mutalik opens its branch.
Spokesperson of the BJP, Dr. Wilfred Miskita, feels Pramod Mutalik is unnecessarily getting too much of limelight. Miskita assures to curb and control Mutalik and his organization if both break the law of land.
BJP has made it very clear from the beginning that BJP will not allow Ram Sena or any other Sena to function from the soil of Goa unlawfully, creating disturbances in its fundamental character. You cannot cut down his movement, you cannot restrain his movement. If he is punished or to be punished, he goes straight behind the bar. That is the only time you can curtail the movement of any criminal. We are not Ravi Naik, which made you believe by applying section 144, and you people are believing that section 144. What is section 144? Can section 144 ban an organization? And you people are making a big thing. Section 144 is to ban a group of 5 or more people getting together. And I am surprised that some people told me Ravi Naik banned Ramsena. Section 144 bans an organization. I am ashamed that people do not even know law.
South Goa MP Narendra Sawaikar said state government is capable handling people like Mutalik.
Yes, आमचे गोय पण राखपा खातीर, आमचे गोंयकारपण राखपा खातीर, आनीक कोणी कितलेय जरी आमचेर हांगा येवन अटॅक करपाचो यत्न केलो जाल्यार सुद्दां गोंयकार सगळ्या गजालींक तोंड दिवपा खातीर समर्थ आसा अशें म्हाका दिसता.
Bureau Report Prudent.
Alleged accused in Guddemol murder, Magan Nair has been remanded to 6 days judicial custody on Friday. Magan was arrested in connection with Prashal Devidas's murder in Guddemol. He was earlier sent to Upnagar anticipating to be a minor, but as per the birth certificate, he is major in age. Police produced him before Sange JMFC. Police had arrested 2 boys in connection with the murder. Prashal Devidas was murdered in a forest at Guddemol.
आमी एक दोन मायनर भुरग्यांक ताब्यात घेतले आनी तेका एनजीओ फुड्याक आमी इंट्रोगेट केले तेन्ना तेणी कन्फेस केले आमी प्रशांत देवदासाचो प्रिवियस एनिमिटी लागून खून केला म्हणून आनी तेजो गळो तेज्याच कमरेच्या बेल्टान स्ट्रंगुलेट केला म्हणून आनी तेका मारून उडयलो म्हणून तेजे नंतर आमी तेंकां एडमीट केले आपल्या घरांत जेन्ना तेंच्यो बर्थ कायद्या प्रमाणे बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट चेक केलो जेन्ना एकाची बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट आमकां 17 वर्सां मेळ्ळी आनी दुसरो मेजर आसल्या कारणान तेजे नांव जावन आसा मगन नायर, मगन गोविंद नायर हो 19 वर्सांचो आमकां मेळ्ळो बर्थ चेक करतरी. त्या नंतर आमी आपल्या घरांतल्यान तेका परतो हाडलो 26 जुना हाडलो आनीक सागल्या कोर्टाच्यान रिमांड दितलो आनी तेंचे कपडे कितें आमचे कायद्याच्या प्रमाणे जे कितें करपाचें आसले फॉर्मेलिटी त्यो आमी केल्यो आनी तेका आतां आमी ज्युडिशियल लोकमाक घातला आनी कोणी ह्या गुन्ह्याक सामील आसा ही आमची चवकशी चालू आसा जाल्यार तेका आमी अटक करतले.
Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar has assured to initiate action against Drishti management if 18 Goan boys are not recruited back to service. Parulekar said as per contract signed with the Drishti, it's clear that 80% of Goans will get placement in the services. Agitated employees of Drishti said 18 boys were sacked by Drishti without any specific reasoning. Meanwhile, Labour Commissioner has directed the Drishti management to continue the services of the staff on rolls. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar has cleared that as per contract with the Drishti, 80% of recruited staff should be Goan. Parulekar said government backs the Goan boys and it will not accept contract for Drishti for next season if Goan boys are not reinstated.
Contractan बरयल्लें आसा की जे भुरगे लागतले पळय 850 भुरगे कामाक लागतले पळय ते 80% भुरग्यांक आमच्या गोंयकारांक घेवंक जाय. गोंयकार सगळे आशेन आसतना एक किंवा दोग जाण आसात. ते 850 भुरगे कोण हुशार आहा पळय तांकां सोदून काडून तेंच्यांनी कामाक लावंक जाय. आनी गोंयच्या भायले भुरगे जर कोण आसात तेंचे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट कसोच एक्सेप्ट करचो ना आनी फुडली सायन करचो ना आनी कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट तांकां दिवचो ना. जर आमच्या गोंयकारांक जर भायर उडयल्या जाल्यार हांव वगीर रावचो ना, सरकार वगीर रावचें ना. सीएमान आमकां तांकां इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिल्लें आसा ज्या वेळार टेंडर पेपर रेडी जाल्या तेन्ना की आमच्या गोंयकारांक सांबाळून घेवपाक जाय. एक दोन कोण आयशी आसा काडून डेफिनेटली तांकां सायडीक दवरा, पूण बाकीचे जे कोण हुशार आसा काम करूंक सोदतात, काम जे आसात ऑलरेडी तांकां कंटिन्यू करपाक जाय. डेफिनेटली 102% आय एम विथ माय गोवन बॉयज.
Meanwhile, the High Court has allowed the Goa government to issue interim work permit to Drishti till further orders on the petition. Drishti earlier work permit ended on 26th June, but in larger public interest, High Court has directed State Government and Directorate of Tourism to extend work permit till next order. The High Court has also directed all the parties to file their statements by 14th July and has fixed next date of hearing on 21st July. Around 18 boys were sacked by Drishti management few days back. The agitated employees have demanded their reinstatement. They claim of being sacked without any intimation or any reasoning. Tourism Minister has assured to look into the matter if the agitated Drishti employees approach him. Meanwhile, the Labour Commissioner has directed the Drishti management to continue the services of the staff who were on roll of Drishti. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.